how to manage adult content settings on your creator page account on Patreon. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to patreon.com. This is the home page. Now all what you have to do is go to your creator account from here and then wait a few seconds. It will take you to your page directly. Now all what you have to do here is simple. Just click on edit your page and wait a few seconds. Click on page settings, scroll down until you find adult content, and from here you will be able to enable or disable adult content on your creator account page on Patreon. If this video was helpful, I hope you leave a like and subscribe for more educational videos like this one. See you in the next video, and thank you so much for watching.